What is up guys, Jello Pineda here, back again, another episode on the way. Today's video is gonna be a little different from the usual videos na nakikita nyo sa akin, kung saan nagpapakita tayo ng mga shops or papakita tayo ng sneakers, nagre-review tayo ng sneaker, nag-unboxing tayo ng sneaker, naglilinis tayo ng sneaker. This is gonna be totally different. So I found something to do over the past couple of months, yan, where I found golf as a way to relax, a way to release my aggression. Alam mo yun, kapag nanggigigil ka, naiinis ka, nai-stress ka. Now, golf isn't something new to me. Actually, nung bata ako, elementary days, nag-golf na kami ng father ko noon. And then, the first time na humakakulit ng golf club, nung na-invite ako na mag-driving range, pumalo ng bola. And pumayag lang ako, by the way, kasi nanggigigil ako. Pag-release lang talaga ng aggression kapag napalo mo yung bola, napalayo mo, parang kumbaga parang naitatapon mo na rin yung stress mo. And then pagkatapos mong maglaro, yung pawis na pawis ka, yung pagod ka, kumbaga parang na-release mo na rin yung stress mo. So in a way, it helped me. Tawag ko dyan, palo therapy. Dito kami ngayon sa MPLI. Ito ang driving range. Actually dito ako nagsimulang mag-golf. Ito yung nung bata ako, iba pa yung pangalan niya. Greenlands pa yung pangalan niya. At dito kami naglalaro ng tatay ko nun. Ay, naku, umuulan. Nagbaba na ba ng gamit ng kasama ko? And of course, baka maitanong mo, will golfing be part of yung vlogs natin dito sa Jello Pineda channel? I would say yes, kasi I built this channel about sneakers kasi yun yung hilig ko. I just wanna be able to monetize a hobby, and it's gonna be the same for golfing. Kumbaga parang somehow, somewhere down the road, ma-monetize ko siya by doing it as a content. So I do hope supportahan mo pa rin ako. I do hope na nandyan ka pa rin. And hoping ma-influence din kita na maglaro ng golf, makalaro din kita in time. And if you're gonna ask me about sneakers, kung nangongolekta pa ba ako na sneakers, I haven't. Ang mga binili ko lang sneakers over the past couple of months ay golfing shoes. Isa na regalo, isa binili. So technically, isa lang ang binili ko sapatos. So yeah, again, sana samahan mo ako dito sa bago kong journey. I mean, karagdagang journey. Sneakers will always be sneakers. Bibili pa rin tayo ng sneakers, especially kung gusto ko yung drop. Hahanap pa rin tayo ng murang sapatos para sa inyo. Hahanap pa rin tayo ng mga outlets, mga steals, mga bagong shops. Gagawin pa rin naman natin yan on top nitong pag-golf natin. Ito lang ang pinakahuli kong biniling sapatos, guys. Wala nang ito lang, no? Kasi isa regalo yung isa eh. Yung Jordan gold shoes, regalo yun. So ito lang yung binili natin. Latest pickup. Tawag dito, Victory Pro. Victory Pro 3. Dahil kay Soul Contractor, nabudol niya ako ng patulog na ako, nabudol pa ako. Alright, we're here back again. Choke na naman. Hole number 1 is a par 3. Lahat naman dito par 3. So kung nagsisimula ka pala mag-golf, this is the best place kasi mapapractice talaga yung short game mo. Mapapractice yung irons mo. So ito talaga. So makikita mo ang distance ng first hole from the blue tee is 144 yards. Yan, 144 yards. It's par 3. Isa kanya yan. Anong shoes mo? Yan, Jordan.
Parang wingtip.
Wingtip. Masyado naman yan. Kakasabi ko lang, breakfast ball.
Sige, breakfast ball tayo sa
First hole. Tapos walang mulligan.
Meron, front and back.
Tag-isa. So, 2 mulligans. Ibig sabihin, pwede mong paluin yung twice yung bola. Kumbaga parang mali yung palo mo nung una. Twice lang, pwede gamitin yun. Tapos, pick up tayo sa double par.
Kitang-kita yung epic pain mo. Pares tayo.
Nag-left ng konti. Alright, medyo nag-left ng konti. Okay, so first hole pa lang, unang tira pa lang, nawawala na yung bola. Not a good start. Kumulang. Alright. Okay lang yan.
You know.
Aga-agang bogey. But at least it's on the green. Grabing bunker, oh. Hindi man siya sand trap eh. Mud trap yata siya, puta.
Mabawi ka yan, sir. Opo, right to left. Ay, come on in! Ay!
Ano yung pick up? Alright. Alright. At natapos na ang sumpa ng first hole. Lagi kami nag-choke sa first hole. Pero again, guys, it is what it is. At least natututo. Yan ang pinakamahalaga dyan. Na-enjoy mo, natututo pa pa. Alright, so hole number 2 is 110 off of the blue tee.
You know?
So far, we landed dito banda, malapit sa green. So, a little bit short, a little bit left. Pero, I think it was the right club. Nice one. Ikaw, anong feeling mo sa golf? Ba't nagustuhan mo siya, bro?
Hindi ko din alam eh. Sabi nakaka-relax pero nasa-stress.
Nakaka-stress din.
Dance.
Nice one. On the green. Ay, nag-bounce! On the green! Oh, nice! Lapit na. Nice recovery, bro. Good job. Alam mo yung ano? Alam mo yung galit na galit ka? Eto,
Gago, nawala.
ito yung galit na galit oh, pagkapalo mo. Ako, near the green. So, little bit of chip and roll tayo dito. Medyo uphill ng konti.
Ay! Open! Ay, come on in! Ay, sayang. Nice.
What a great start. Boogie-boogie. Double sa isang boogie.
Bro, part 3. Sabi nga ni Bryson, pinakamahirap na ano yan.
Kasi only had
Hole.
get 3 chances para ma-perfect mo yung hole.
Mahirap i-par.
Alright,
Bumilik na.
hole number 3. Ito yung may lake. From the blue tees, 115. I think 8 tayo. Playable ba? Playable. How you feeling, bro?
Choke.
Choke. Oh, man. Pinutol mo? Kung kuputulan, bigyan mo lang sa akin.
Ayan, practice.
Practice. Okay, okay.
Ay!
One of the few challenges na nararamdaman kong mangyayari kapag gumagawa ako ng golf vlog. Actually, second ko ng beses na nag-attempt na nag-camera habang nag-golf. Kaso ang problema, nawawala yung focus ko sa laro. Napupunta sa angulo ng camera, sa next na shot. So I think talagang kailangan ko ng cameraman para matuloy ko tong golf vlog.
You know, nice spot.
Papakabay mo ba ako eh?
Parang ayaw niya pa siya, sir.
Hindi.
Okay, the ball.
Nice shot, bro. Uy! Of course, if you are still watching up until this point, maraming salamat for sticking with me. We just got home from a meeting for the upcoming City Clerk Sneaker Expo. For the upcoming City Clerk Sneaker Expo that will be happening on October 6. Again, that will be sa SMX Convention Center, SM Clark, from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Kasama natin si DJ Big Boy Sheng and Carlo Ople. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nagsusupport, sa lahat ng mga bago nating mga merchants, mga sponsors. Thank you very much. And I'm editing this video. I realized wala akong ending. And ngayon, to answer the question sa aking sa aking thumbnail, is this the end of my sneaker journey? Definitely not. In fact, here. Oh my God, ito yung ginamit ko sneaker kanina. Actually, dahil medyo malakas ang ilaw, di mo makikita, pero sobrang dumi niya. Spikes ang binibili natin. So, ito yan. Ang ginamit natin kanina. This one is the Nike Victory Pro 3. If you are a golfer or if, like, you know, you're interested, leave a comment down below kung gustong gumawa ako ng official review niyan. Next sneaker pickup, eto, nag-double up tayo ng Black Toe Air Jordan 1 Low. Actually, dahil sobrang gusto ko yung colorway na to. At yung binili ko nung bagong release siya, which is eto, naka-plastic pa. As you can see over there, so meron tayong double up. Next up is a pair na niregalo sa akin. Huge shoutout kay Jumpman Junction for showing some love. Pinost ko to sa Instagram. So if you're following me sa Instagram, nakita mo na to for sure. But these are golf shoes na Jordan. Sobrang ganda nito, guys. Sobrang ganda, sobrang classy. Mukha siyang black cement 3 na Jordan 12 because of that yung lace holder na yan. And it is, ayan, may spike siya. So it's a bread colorway. Sobrang gusto ko ito. Ito yung unang-una kong golf shoe and regalo siya sa akin. So huge shoutout sa'yo, Jumpman Junction, and catch them on the City Clark Sneaker Expo coming very soon. Overall, hindi naman ako alis sa pagsi-sneakers kasi yun naman talaga yung hilig ko. Hilig kong bibili ng sapatos, pero nadagdagan lang nitong golf. Meron talaga mga panahon na makakahanap ka ng bagong hobby that makes you happy, that makes you feel good. And I guess golfing is one of those. Of course, let me know in the comment section down below of what you think. If you want to see more content about golf and so on, I want to know para at least alam ko what to do on the next vlogs. Alright, so that is gonna be it for now. Thank you so much for checking on this video today. Make sure to follow me on all my socials, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. God bless. Boom. Carlo of Level. Much love to all of you, and I will see you on the next one. Peace, guys.